model, 64-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6TDI 102PS Startline runs, drives fine, simple, fix, bargain, open mouth, smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 112,273. MOT, the 28th of November 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Needs injector number 1 replacing. Very simple fix, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5.